This video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that is related to the website Quickresponsescan.click. So, Quickresponsescan.click is a deceptive website which attacks many browsers right now. The pop-up claims to be somehow related to the well-known security application. However, it is not related to that application. These pop-ups have in mind to scare users into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. So if you see all these pop-ups by Quickresponsescan.click, don't you ever interact with them. Don't install anything that they actually suggest. Simply leave this page and don't trust it. What we recommend you to do is to immediately undertake the measures and clean your computer. Most likely it is indeed damaged by some adware. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.